Welcome to Global Mogul. Please click the icon by the handle to start the game. Please choose a mode for this match. Wealth mode. Game ends when a player goes bankrupt or reaches 100,000 total assets. Please choose the number of players for this match. 4 players game. Please use the handle and click the icon to join the game. Red handle is connected. Blue handle is connected. Yellow handle is connected. Green handle is connected. All handles are connected. Let's start the game. Green player's turn. You rolled 6. Please go to AR+AI. Blue player's turn. You rolled 10. Please go to Rome. No one has bought this property yet. Do you want to buy it? Congratulations on successfully buying a new property. Congratulations on getting the deed. Remember to get the deed card. Upgrade. Rome. Congratulations on successfully building the house.